Warm greeting from the Minister for Food and Agriculture, Dr. Owusu Afriyie-Akoto. Let me thank Allah and all who have worked tirelessly to make this inauguration of the Bushegu Livestock Market possible today. On behalf of the Minister, I welcome the leadership of sales and other developmental partners to Bushegu for this all-important event. Mr. Chairman, ladies and gentlemen, I am reliably informed that on the 26th December 2019, the sword cutting ceremony for this construction of this edifice took place with the collaboration between Ghana Development Committees, Communities Association, GDCA, Ghana Friends from Denmark, and Acting for Life, whose primary objective is to implement projects in agro-patriotism and environmental management for food and nutrition security, job creation and economic development in the West African sub-region. Let me express my sincere thanks and appreciation first to the Almighty Allah for making this event possible. Further, I'd like to express my sincere appreciation to all gathered here today for making time to be part of this very important event, despite your busy schedules, as well as meet us shareholders in the livestock sector on the inauguration of modern livestock market and ancillary facilities in Bushegu. I would also want to acknowledge the immense effort and hard work of the Ghana Development Communities Association, Acting for Life, Ghana Friends in Denmark, the Bushegu Municipal Assembly, the sales in the construction of this market. Mr. Chairman, ladies and gentlemen, I wish to draw your attention to the fact that trade between countries in the sub-region is estimated to generate over $73.5 million annually from the livestock and cereals alone, and creates more than 20 million jobs. This shows that there's a huge potential for international trade within the sub-region, especially within the establishment of the African Continental Free Trade Area. The Bushegu area is no doubt a strategic livestock production and marketing zone in the eastern corridor of Ghana, where multiple actors in the livestock value chain converge to do businesses to earn decent livelihood. The livestock market is an integrated business community where different stakeholders interact in an atmosphere of mutual respect and trust. The market provides space for livestock producers, traders, veterinary operators or operatives, food vendors, transport operators, brokers, and many others within the livestock value chain. For this to be realized, there is the need for infrastructure development for trade to be taken serious. Mr. Chairman, it is against this background that the construction of this livestock market in Bushegu is a step in the right direction for development. In 2019, the government of Ghana, under His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, launched the Raring for Food and Jobs program, which seeks to develop cooperative and efficient livestock industry to increase production, reduce meat import, and create jobs along the livestock and poultry value chains. One of the components of the Raring for Food and Jobs infrastructure is to support the establishment of markets, slaughtering and meat processing plant, among others. It is in this vein that the government of Ghana fully supports the construction of this facility by the Bushegu Municipal Assembly, GDCA, Acting for Life, and Ghana Friends Ladies, and Acting for Life and Ghana French Ladies, right? And Ghana Friends. Ladies and gentlemen, the benefit of this market will be huge and include job creation along the value chain for the people in Bushegu. It will create massive revenue generation for the Assembly to support developmental projects and peacefully and coordinate